We're on the plateau of the Soutpansberg. The Soutpansberg is not a very well-known area in South Africa, but probably the most beautiful.
It's South Africa's northernmost mountain range, but what's very unique about this mountain is that it lies in an east-west direction across Limpopo.
It's like an island running through the bushveld here in the north. To do the Soutpansberg hiking trail, you basically go from the lowest point, the Sand River, through to the highest point, Lajuma. In this travel you do over 5 days, you go through every type of habitat you could imagine. It really is a centre of endemism, incredible plant life, trees.
Just the diversity of the mountain alone is incredible. You know, we've got 594 different tree species on this mountain. I mean, it's a fraction of the size of Kruger and it's almost double the number of trees.
The most incredible animal and bird life too.
We've got 16 endemic reptile species, so they're only occurring in this region. 60% of all the mammals in South Africa are represented on the mountain. Fantastic insect life, butterflies. It's just a haven for biodiversity.
This old SALT trail covers many of the different habitats that we have on this mountain. So you go through southern slopes, beautiful forests, through big open lands, into waterlines and small rivers with huge waterberry trees. There are waterfalls where you can swim if you'd like.
We've got these beautiful wetlands up on top of the mountain that act as sponges and then have this release of water downstream, which is just incredibly clean, beautiful water.
This area, having a salt pan, which the mountain is obviously named after, the Soutpansberg, has incredible history. People have always come to this mountain to source salt. You'll be exposed to archaeological wonderlands. You get the opportunity to see Stone Age paintings from the Bushman people. We have Iron Age sites that date back to the Mapungubwe. We also look at the plants, medicinal, functional, and edible plants that the Bushman people use in this area.
And learning those stories about people, how people have always been in nature and living off the mountain.
It's really interesting to see this ancient piece of land through their eyes.
What I really love about the Old Salt Trail is it's something for everyone. So it's technically sort of difficult enough that it's quite a challenging hike, but also, there's so many surprises and so many stories that unfold along the way. The number of times your head might be looking at a flower or something, and then you pop out and there's an incredible view in front of you, and it's just, it's wow.
The biodiversity is stunning. The views are amazing. The insect life and the fungus, varieties that you get up here is something you won't find in many other places on Earth. So it's been an amazing experience.
What makes it really special for me is the detail in the mountain. All the lichens, the art in nature. If you just stop and absorb it and take it in and actually look at it.
There's just a sense of place here, and over the course of 5 days you just get more and more absorbed into that feeling of complete open wilderness, but also to feeling like we're almost the only people on the mountain.
The 5 days are really a gift to yourself to come and see this very rare, untapped area of land in South Africa.
It's just an out-of-this-world experience that takes you close to heaven.